wants a little sheep, Mommy.
The sheep wants a little sheep?
Yeah.
Do you want another bite of toast?
No, the sheep wants a little sheep, Mommy.
The mama sheep wants a baby sheep?
Yeah.
I don't know if we have a baby sheep.
I don't know if... When I put that in while...
Do they call you Eddie Spaghetti? You know you got some peanut butter on your face? Do you know Mommy was videoing you when you were playing for a little bit? I was trying to listen to what you were saying. Was Santa flying in his sled? With his elf? Oh, I see now what you're doing. Awfully cute. You're awfully cute. Oh, that was a crash landing. Hopefully they had their seatbelts off and their airbags deployed.
No, there's another sled. No, there's Gabby.
What's Tiki and Mimi doing? Hi, Tiki the Beaky the Bongy. Hi, Mimi. Hi, Mimi.
They're flying, Mommy.
Oh, now the elf's on display.
And the head goes that. You gotta go back in his head.
You gotta go back in your sled.